Let's give you a live look outside at Olympia right now. This is a live look from our DOT camera, and as you can see, we're seeing some snowflakes falling there, Ashley, but they look big. They look like those nice, big, juicy snowflakes right now that are falling.
Juicy,
yes?
juicy, thick.
Yes, because what does that mean that they're a little bit bigger? Is it a little bit warmer, perhaps?
Yeah, we have some wet snow falling, so that's usually when you get some of those fatter flakes, if you will, and that's what we have right now. Notice temperatures right now are in the 30 snow levels, about 400 feet, at least as of about 11 o'clock in the morning. But you can still see how we're getting that wall of snow, if you will. It looks very intense on the radar right now as it slowly drifts to the north. However, we have some pretty dry air from about Seattle northward, but that's not to say we're not going to see snow here as well. And I'll time it out for you coming up, just getting in some of those new model runs. Today, tomorrow, at least through about midday, we're under first alert weather mode because of that rain and snow mix that we're expecting. And this is going to really start to at least continue to impact the South Sound, Southwest interior. The closer you are to Oregon, that's where we'll have the greatest impacts. But we'll still see some accumulations, or at least some, for the Cascade Foothills, Hood Canal, Southwest interior. Pierce County is actually now under that winter weather advisory. This is through 8 a.m. tomorrow. We could see about 1 to 2 inches of that wet snow, but highest totals will be to the south. And just it was 30 minutes ago, we checked in with Westport, and you can see the jetties now seeing some accumulations. Visibility not great out there because we have that snow falling, but that's also where we have some of the heaviest snow showers right now, from about Aberdeen or just south of Aberdeen all the way down to Astoria, and that's also spreading to the east over I-5. In Olympia, just some very light snow falling. Now, this is also in between radar sites, and so what that means is we're getting a profile of the at least higher up into the sky, and so likely a lot of this over the south portion of the Kitsap Peninsula, likely more so aloft, so up in the sky, maybe evaporating as it reaches the surface, but closer to Tacoma, likely seeing some of those flurries. We'll check in just a minute, but you can see from the Olympia camera, you see off in the distance, it appears as though we have some of those snow showers. Now let's check Tacoma, and you can see off in the distance, likely in the higher elevations where we're starting to see those snow showers. Not seeing really anything at the surface yet, but if you are seeing it, let us know. 38 degrees feels like 33 in Tacoma. So let's time this out for you. Actually, couldn't even put a pause point on that, but it was showing at least some snow showers moving in from the south to the north. Some of it may be just falling apart as it encounters that dry air. And then after that, we could have some more snow setting up over Puget Sound, perhaps from Snohomish County southward into late tonight and into our Friday. Now, going forward into our Friday, we are going to start to see that rain and snow mix start to switch over to rain heading into the weekend. So a big pattern flip. This is also the potential snow totals. This is a European model from noon today all the way till noon tomorrow. And it does paint that picture of where we could see some of those highest snow totals, really from the South Sound southward. And then you see perhaps some minor snow totals for Puget Sound, but the highest will be up in the foothills. And then we'll get some decent mountain snow. Outside of any of the rain and snow mix today, we'll have temperatures 30s and 40s. And then overnight, we're in the 20s and 30s. So tomorrow morning, we'll likely wake up here in Seattle with maybe a couple of flurries out there, and then we'll see rain all weekend long, off and on all weekend, and then some really good mountain snow, maybe up to a foot through Monday.